In this video we are going to see class 10th NCERT exercise 13.2 question number 4. A pen stand made of wood is in the shape of cuboid with 4 conical depressions to hold pens. The dimensions of the cuboid are 15 cm by 10 cm by 3.5 cm. The radius of each depression is 0.5 cm and the depth is 1.4 cm. Find the volume of wood in the entire stand. Given the shape of the wood is cuboid. So, collect the given values. Dimensions of the cuboids are 15 cm by 10 cm by 3.5 cm. So consider L is equal to, that is length is equal to 15 cm, breadth is equal to 10 cm, h is equal to 3.5 cm, and radius of the each depression is the shape of conical. So the radius of conical depression equal to 0.5 centimeter and the depth is 1.4 centimeter. That is height of the conical depression. That is depth of conical depression equal to 1.4 centimeter. We have to find out the volume of wood in the entire stand. That is remaining volume of the box. That is volume of cubical box minus volume of, that is 4 into volume of conical depression. Now apply the formula. Volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H minus 4 into volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square H. Given height of the conical depression is equal to 1.4. This is 1.4 centimeter. Then radius of the conical depression is equal to 0.5 centimeter. Now substitute the value. That is length of the cubical box is equal to 15 centimeter. So 15 into, that is breadth is 10 centimeter, height is 3.5 centimeter minus 4 into 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is, it is radius of the conical depression is 0.5. So 0.5 into 0.5 into h, depth is 1.4. Now 150 into 3.5 minus 4 into 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 0.5 can be written as 5 by 10 into 5 by 10 into, this is written as 14 by 10. Now 150 into 3.5, that is 525 minus 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 2 1 2 for 4 cancel. Now 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 1 2 is 2, 5 twos are 10. Then remaining for numerator 22 by denominator 3 into 5, 15. So we have 525 minus the value of 22 by 15 is equal to 1.464. That is, we need to subtract the value, that is 525.00 is equal minus 1.464. 6, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1. So we get the result 523.5 centimeter cube. So remaining volume of the box is equal to 523.5 centimeter cube.